How do I use Vizio SmartCast? Vizio SmartCast allows you to stream apps, cast content from your phone, and control your TV using voice assistants. Whether you want to use built-in apps or cast from a mobile device, SmartCast makes it easy to access entertainment without needing extra streaming devices. 1. Access built-in streaming apps. SmartCast comes with popular streaming apps like Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, and Disney Plus pre-installed. To use them, press the V button or Home button on your remote. Navigate through the SmartCast home screen to find apps. Select an app and log into your account. Browse and start streaming your favorite content. 2. Cast content from a mobile device. If an app is not available on SmartCast, you can cast it from your smartphone or tablet. Connect your phone and TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Open a supported app like YouTube or Netflix on your phone. Tap the cast icon and select your Vizio TV. The content will start playing on your TV. 3. Use the Vizio Mobile App. The Vizio Mobile App, available for iOS and Android, allows you to control your TV, launch apps, and cast media. Download the Vizio Mobile App from the App Store. Connect it to your TV by following the on-screen setup. Use the app as a remote control or to browse and launch apps. 4. Control your TV with voice assistants. Vizio SmartCast supports Google Assistant, Alexa, and Apple HomeKit, allowing you to control your TV hands-free. For Google Assistant, say, "Hey Google, turn on my Vizio TV." For Alexa, say, "Alexa, play Netflix on my Vizio TV." For Apple HomeKit, use Siri commands to control the TV. By using built-in apps casting from a mobile device, the Vizio Mobile App, or voice assistants, SmartCast provides a seamless way to enjoy entertainment on your Vizio TV. If you experience issues, ensure your TV is connected to the internet and updated for the best performance.